Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix Play Store is not responding problem in Android phone and Google Play Store not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings. Scroll down and find out apps. Open it. Search for Google Play Store. Open it. Tap Force Stop, then tap OK. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap on Delete or OK. Move back. Now search for Google Play Services. Open it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Manage Storage. Tap Clear All Data. You need to tap on OK here. In my case, I am not tapping this time because by tapping here my screen recording will be closed. Once it is completed, move back to your home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store. I hope your problem will be fixed.